Okay, me and Tabby are gonna smash this phone. It's the second video we've made. It's an old-fashioned phone that doesn't work anymore. We tried to get it working, but no. And we're gonna smash it with this hammer, this mini sledgehammer. So, here, Tabby, take it.
Okay. Do this. I bet it's gonna take longer than the other video that we did.
Okay. Should I drop it first?
Yeah. Do this.
Oh, it didn't break. It's strong.
It's strong.
Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Let's do this on the screen. Ready?
Oh, wow. What did that?
Oh, yeah. That's a lot of damage.
That is. Wow.
Okay.
Okay. Try this
A few more hits. Ready?
Yeah. This is gonna take long.
Ready?
Oh, wow. What did that do?
That's a big dent. A really big dent.
Is it? There. Wow.
Should we do it from the back on
Yeah.
the camera?
Yeah.
Ready?
Oh.
See what we
It
did with the
knocked
camera?
off the
Oh,
thing.
look at the camera. The camera.
Yeah, the
right there.
camera.
And now let's yeah, we don't want to smash that because that will explode. Okay, I feel one more hit.
Okay.
Ready?
You should do it a few more times. I mean, like,
Why?
try pulling this thing off.
Oh, we didn't hit this part yet.
Oh, yeah.
The keyboard. Watch out. Can't get it.
Oh, wow. You're really hitting that. We smashed off the button thing, the explode thingy.
Yeah, this is a lot of damage to this phone.
I know.
You can see the circuit boards in here.
I know. It's really thick, so it takes longer than it did last. Oh, you can pull that off.
Okay. Well, that's a lot of damage to a phone.
I know. I mean, look at that.
Okay.